If I didn't need you around so much, do you know what I'd have to do?
What?
I'd have to dump you for the horrible, disgusting, filthy cheese on your steak.
It's the way forward.
If I didn't need you around
It's the
so much,
future.
if I didn't need you around so much, I'd have to get rid of you for that. You know what's good on steak? Horseradish. That is the only thing that is allowed to be on steak. Kiwi, where are we?
Castle.
Do you like castles? How much do you like castles out of 10?
10.
Pew, 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 pew. Enthusiasm, Kiwi. You want to kill the French? Castles are awesome. Come to the castle, and there's a painter and decorator around here today. Nice to see you're keeping it nice and authentic there.
So Cammy, we just finished going to. Hang on, you've got no light. That was better. So Cammy, we just went to the castle. How was it?
Very costly, I should think.
What was your favourite part of the castle?
I liked the bit where they said that the dungeons were a bit wet, and then we paid to get in because I picked the castle because I wanted to go to the dungeons, and then there was a sign saying that the dungeons were closed because they were flooded.
Closed dungeons.
And there was like a feet of water in them.
How does that make you feel graphically?
Graphically?
Yeah.
Spoon.
Facially.
Sad.
Cammy's really scared.
This isn't fun! Why would you think this is fun? I'm only going 40 miles an hour. It's not fun.
Really hurts walking barefoot a beach made of stones. And I left Kiwi, I dropped him off somewhere on this beach, and I can't remember where I left him. I think I need a tannoy announcement. I'm looking for my pet toddler. Has anyone seen him? He's 6'3". I think someone killed Kiwi while I was gone paddling in the sea. He appears to be completely motionless, killed by sunbasking. Is that right? Yes. Here's a rather overfed seagull. What do you think we should call him?
Frank.
Frank. That's a good solid name for a seagull.
Cedric.
Look at him go. Cedric is very distinguished. What about Archibald?
Too distinguished.
Did you see it dark? Just had to run away from a wasp. Now I've got that itchy feeling. It's all Kiwi's fault. What do you have to say for yourself about Waspgate 2011? Nothing. Thanks for that. We're about to go mountain boarding. Hybrid is snowboarding with wheels on grass. Luckily there's some crash helmets available. I think we're going to need them. Hey! Delicious bowl of mussels, wine, bread, and a beautiful summer evening to enjoy it on. Yum! This place looks exactly like Madame Puddivit's from Harry Potter. You know the place where Cho Chang and Harry go on Valentine's Day and then Harry makes her cry? This place looks exactly like that. All of Kiwi's favourite things in one basket. You're looking forward to this? How much on a scale of 1 to looking forward? We are currently at what is a dual purpose place. It is, number 1, an area of outstanding natural beauty, and number 2, one of the most popular suicide spots in the United Kingdom. Awesome. You can see France on a clear day if you want to see France. Do you want to see France?
No.
No. But how cool would it be to live in that lighthouse there? Kiwi, on a scale of 1 to scared, how scared are you? You're quite scared. I agree. You want to see how far I'm standing from the edge? About a metre. I ain't getting any closer. For the record, I'm currently wandering around in a mini skirt. It's not quite the ideal attire to do hill and cliff top walking. No. People keep looking at me like I'm crazy. Would you like to express your anger, feelings of bad sentiment about the car that we got stuck behind on the way here?
Spoon.
Spoon?
Yeah. that was a callback joke, which is going to make no sense if you don't include the original footage.
Spoon. Is there anything you'd like to say to the driver of the Nissan Micra in front
I
of
hope
us?
you die in a very slow car crash.
That's a bit mean.
It's not.
It's a little bit.
Anyone who drives 25 down a national speed limit road needs to die in a small,
I think that's a bit mean.
slow-paced crash.
I would say poked by cocktail sticks until they...
I prefer the death option.
That's a bit mean. I don't know if I can put you on YouTube saying that.
Or just overwrite me.
East on Beachy Head Road.
So just dub you.
I'd like to give him a hug! Anyone who drives 25 down a national speed limit road needs to...
Continue driving at a safe and comfortable speed.
Let's try this dance again. Begin.
Cami, the racketeer versus Kiwi, what the juice?
How can you talk about money when I'm talking about souls?
I've got a message just for you. I've got a message just for
Kiwi wins. Fatality.
Talk about money when I'm talking about
That was
souls.
rubbish.